Hi, Penny.
Hi.
You ready to do a little bit of a math activity?
Yeah.
Okay. What did Mommy tape onto the floor? Do you know what those are called?
Those are called boxes.
Kind of. They're rectangles with boxes inside.
No, they can also be called a diamond and a square.
Okay. This is called a tens frame. Okay?
I know.
Do you want to know why it's called a tens frame?
Because I know it has it.
Why would it be called a tens frame?
Because it has 10 boxes.
High five. That's right, because it has 10 boxes. So, Penny, if I have two tens frames on the floor, how high can I count using my tens frames?
20.
To 20. You're right. Can you show me, using the paint, the number 5 with a tens frame? The number 5.
2, 3, 4.
Right. So now, if you put all of them in a row, right? Do you have how many? Oh, you have half of the number 10. Okay, now can you show me 12 using the tens frames? You can use both 10 frames. The number 12. Let's count them together to see if we got the right number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you only have 10 up there. So how many in the second frame?
You are 10.
How many do you need to put in the second frame to get to 12? 1, 2. And 10 plus 2 is 12.
And
You can keep going if you would like.
13.
So this is a great way to practice one-on-one correspondence up to 20 while getting your friends to get up and move around.
14, 15.
I hope you all have fun. Have a good day.